Okay, go ahead and step on the brakes. Driver's side works. Try it again, step on the brakes. Passenger side brake light is not working. Got a 2007 Toyota Sequoia. This is a first gen Sequoia, and we've got a passenger side brake light bulb out. I'm gonna show you how quickly and easily we can change that out. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to change your brake light bulb in a 2007 Toyota Sequoia. All you're going to need is a 10mm socket to take out these two bolts right here. Now with these bolts out of the way, you can see that the light will move a little bit, but we still have two pins on this side that are holding the lens snapped into the vehicle. Sometimes you can use your fingertips and just give some steady pressure and get them to pop. These ones are pretty snug. Now you definitely don't want to use a screwdriver or anything to try to pry this out. I'm going to show you a little trick to help remove these. If you have an old shoelace like this flat style right here, what I'm going to do is just thread this behind the body of the light like so, and then we can pull on the shoelace. There we go. You can see these pins go in this direction. Now, of course, we're still connected here with the harness. This is our reverse light bulb, and this one here is our brake light bulb. This is the one we're going to change. Now, here's the replacement bulbs we're going to use. These are from Sylvania, Long Life 7443 is our bulb number, but you'll notice I put some gloves on because I don't want to touch the surface of these bulbs with my bare hands because the oils and grease and whatnot on your fingertips can cause these to degrade or burn out prematurely. To release this or take out the old bulb, just twist this counterclockwise and give it a little tug, and the old bulb will come out, and then just pull it straight out. And let's put in a new one. All we need to do is just press this straight in till it clicks in place, like that. And then we can put the bulb back in the housing, like so. Just line it up, twist it clockwise, and that locks it in place. And then we can put the housing back in. What we're gonna do is line up these pins here first on the outside. And I'm just going to give them a firm press to snap them in place. And then we can put these two bolts back in. Just make those snug, don't get too carried away on tightening that. All right, let's test it. Go ahead and step on the brakes. And that's it, we are done. This is ready to get back on the road. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. And of course, I'll get a link in the description to some of the parts and tools used in the video as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.